Asante sana Nancy. The Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Ezekiel Machoku, my colleague, Principal Secretaries, I know they have been introduced. We have Dr. Beatrice Nyangala, who takes care of, we shall be doing a ceremony shortly. We have Esther Moria, who takes care of Tibet. The Chairman of the Education Committee at the National Assembly, Honorable Julius Meli. We also are still expecting our chair for the Senate Committee on Education, Joe Nyotu. Teacher Service Commission, CEO, the NEC Chair, Dr. Njegere. Our unions who are here today, members of the media, all our stakeholders from the sector. Today I'm here not to make a speech, but to acknowledge and appreciate the good work that our officers have done. I would want to thank the stakeholders in the education sector. As already mentioned by the CEO, this is the year that we did 5 examinations, I say 4 examinations and an assessment. We were able to assess more than 4 million children. And we would want to take this opportunity to thank our teachers, to thank our parents, and to thank all the stakeholders for the good work that they have done. We would also want to acknowledge the role that the media played. It was not any other time. You know what it can be when you are handling such a huge task that affects the future of the country in terms of our children. Once again, I would want to affirm to the stakeholders in the sector that now we have reverted back to our normal calendar. Our children will be opening the schools on Monday. I would want to give an assurance that the necessary resources that is supposed to be released by government is ready and will be with the schools in terms of capitation. And on Monday, the continuing students will be opening. On 30th, we shall have our junior secondary. On 8th, we shall have our Form 1s going to school. The CS and all of us, we have been guided on capitation of junior secondary, and the CS will go into detail on that. But as I end, I would want to thank my colleagues, the PS for Internal Security and National Administration, Raymond Omolo and Engineer Tanui, in the Ministry of ICT for the support that they gave us at the technical level. And it has only been possible because of delivering as one in government. The CS will also mention at some point on the rapid response initiative that we are all aware, which we've been carrying around the country. And at this point also, I would want to thank the media team, because where they were called upon to accompany our officers to see the environment in which we are going to go into as we go to junior secondary, you are available to accompany our teams to these schools so that we can all as Kenyans appreciate that we are going into new areas. And as we go into new areas, all of us know that they could be and they may be challenges, and we would want to work together towards ensuring that this journey is a success. At this juncture, before I invite the Cabinet Secretary, I would want to invite my colleague teacher, Honorable Julius Meli, who is the Chair for Education and Research Committee at the National Assembly, and who is a critical owner of